What happened if Gojo fight with Uchiha Madara? Who's gonna win? Number 5. Gojo Infinity Void versus Uchiha Madara. So as you know, Gojo has so many powers, okay? He's definitely unique and one of the most strongest character ever. But at the same time, Uchiha Madara, he's definitely top notch, you can say, unique anime character and badass anime character in Naruto series as well, okay? Both are strongest, okay? But definitely Gojo has one power. The name of this power is Infinity Void. So definitely this is 360 defense, okay? If I literally say this in easy word, okay? So this power of Gojo literally, if Gojo use this power, Madara can't catch this guy, okay? Gojo, okay? Literally it can defend any attacks of Madara, okay? So if Gojo use Infinity Void, it's you can say superior defense, okay? So Madara not gonna catch him, okay? So in the terms of Gojo's Infinity versus Uchiha Madara, Gojo has a 1 point chances more to win against Madara if Gojo use Infinity Void. Okay, number 2 is Madara's power versus Gojo. So definitely we can't literally underestimate Uchiha Madara, okay? He's definitely top notch and main, you can say, narrative anime character in Naruto as well. If you watch Naruto, you know who is this guy. This guy is one of the most iconic narrative anime character ever, okay? So if I talk about Madara's power, okay, Madara has one, you can say, attacks. He has, you can say, invisible powers, okay? He has a defense, insane unique defense, okay? He has, you can say, bodyguards, okay? He has 4, I guess, bodyguards, okay? They literally protect Madara 24/7. So at the same time, Madara can fight and also their bodyguard can fight at the same time, okay? So Gojo going to win literally has more chances to lose against Madara's this power, okay? Because Madara has, you can say, I guess, 10 hands at the same time when he fight. So definitely in terms of power, definitely if Madara use this technique, definitely Madara has more chances to win against Gojo. Okay, so if I talk about number 3 is definitely Domain Expansion versus Susanoo. So Susanoo is the power of Uchiha Madara, and definitely Uchiha community has this power. This is ancient power, the Susanoo. You can see on the screen, okay, this is the massive giant and they protect every Uchiha community members, okay? You can see on the screen, okay? And you have to summon it. And how you have to summon it? You have to be Uchiha, okay? So definitely Uchiha is the, you can say, community, okay? So definitely Madara is the Uchiha community. He is a, you can say, ghost of Uchiha. He's considered the god of Uchiha, okay? He's a legendary and iconic character as well, okay? So definitely if I talk about who's gonna win, because Gojo at the same time has a Domain Expansion. Domain Expansion is the space time of power, okay? If somehow Gojo's literally successful to trap Madara with this power, and I'm talking about Gojo's power Domain Expansion. So definitely in terms of who has more power, so definitely Gojo's Domain Expansion can surpass Madara's Susanoo's power, okay? And you can see on the screen why, okay? So if Gojo literally use Domain Expansion, Madara has more chances to defeat, okay? And Gojo has more chances to win. Okay, so if I talk about number 4, Madara's full power versus Gojo's full power. Okay, so if I talk about they both are so strong, there is no doubt, okay? So if I talk about Gojo's full power, if Gojo used full power against Madara and Madara used full power against Gojo, definitely Madara has more chances to win. And why I'm saying that? Because Madara has a power to destroy a city, and literally he can literally destroy the Earth by himself without any other, you can say, support. So he has more power. In terms of overall power, definitely Madara has more chances to win against Gojo. Okay, so if I talk about number 5 is IQ and experience. Who has more good brain and good IQ to literally win this fight, okay? So if I talk about Gojo and Madara, both are smart and both has a, you can say, experience in the battlefield, okay? But as I told you, if I talk about Uchiha Madara, okay, Madara is compared to Gojo has more experience because he's a legendary and he's a god of Uchiha. So he has so much you can say experience. He's not a new character. He's so old and legendary character. So you can understand, okay, what I'm saying. And he has more, you can say, war tactics. He literally fought the war literally by himself without any other support. So you know what I'm trying to say. He has more experience. I'm not saying Gojo speak, but compared to Gojo, Madara has more experience and more, you can say, IQ to literally fight in the battlefield. And he literally fought at the war, so he knows how to fight. Literally, he knows how to literally use full power. So overall, Gojo is smart, but in terms of experience and IQ, Madara has more chances to win. This is the 5 most, you can say, tactics. And if I talk about who is gonna win, so Madara has 3 points, Gojo has 2 points and 2 points, and Madara has more chances to win against Gojo. So I hope you like that video. If you like that, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna meet you in my next video. Tata, bye bye.